Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel. And today's video I just want to jump on here, just want to thank everybody for the support and then just talk about the 2024 year for Deise Rebel on YouTube here. So I've gained a good few more followers. I think I started at 175 I think at the start of the year, and I have 283 now. So again, it's a small little unique channel, you know, not big views on a lot of videos and stuff like that as well, which sometimes can be a bit how do you say it, I suppose you kind of, you feel like it's, you know, are you doing right with the videos or whatever. Look, I know myself that I need to improve a lot on videos and stuff like that as well, and also I think it's the wind. I need to get a mod for the wind. So there's there is a GoPro mod that has the wind protector on it, so I think that would vastly improve the videos as well. And then just get out and about more out of Waterford and different counties as well. But look, time is really hard to get that. So like with a touch on the mini series. So the mini series, I've one left to go, but I never got to film it on the day because light was coming in on the day when I shot all the other three. So the fourth one I still have to do, and I probably, to be honest, I probably won't get to it till the new year, unfortunately. But I really appreciate anybody that's watched the mini series, and if you have any comments about it, just drop them down below, or anything you'd like to see improved, or is there something that you watch that you really enjoy. So like, I don't mind constructive criticism. So you know, if you're saying, oh look, the wind is a lot in the videos and stuff like that as well, I want to make your experience better, because like there's no point me editing videos if you're not enjoying a particular part of it, or it makes you tune out. So yeah, it's just I want to deep dive into it. I'm not afraid to get constructive criticism. Like I said, we're all here to improve and do things that we enjoy. Like, it's my hobby, I enjoy it, I don't get paid for it, anything like that whatsoever. So everything's on my back, what I get, what I buy for like the camera and all that. That's all funded by me, you know. So also then I have and also yeah, the license, I still didn't get a test yet. It's ridiculous. It's since May. I've applied for it in May and I still didn't get a date for it yet, which is pretty ridiculous. So I'm going to wait till the new year and the weather improves, and then I'm going to email them or ring them and see what the story is, because it's absolutely ridiculous behaviour. You know, they were well able to take the money, but the tests haven't been given out yet. Now I know there's a backlog as well, but surely since May, like that, you know, surely there's not that many waiting. Is there? I don't know. Does anybody know? Shed a bit of light on it. But yeah, that's one big thing in 2025. I want to get that full license, you know. I want to get it done, and it's just freedom to go wherever you want. Then it's not even like the L vest doesn't bother me one bit. It's actually quite a good vest because there's loads of pockets in it. But it's just to be able to go anywhere. You can go on the motorway, all that. So if I'm going on any big trips or whatever, then I can go on whatever roads I want, instead of having to maybe chance on a road, or maybe not even chance on the road, but like have to go on back roads the whole time. Especially if you're going a distance, I don't mind back roads, you know me, I love the back roads. But you know, you need to be able to go on the highway as well, the highway, motorway. I'm not in America, but yeah, so that needs to be done. So I start chasing them now in the new year, and I've finally pulled the trigger on a Deise Rebel mug. So I'll show you a picture here, wherever it pops up. It's so cool. As you can see there, it's really nice. So I said I'd see what the quality of it is like. I just wanted to get one just for myself, and see what it's like. So I don't know, am I going to sell them or whatever? If people are interested, yeah, I might. If someone's interested, you know, you can just tell me anyway. But I want to see what the quality is of them first before I get them. So like, I suppose wait till I get the cup and I'll do a little review on it and see what it's like. Because if the quality is good, then I wouldn't mind selling them if somebody wanted one. You know, like, I'm not going to be making tons of money on it or whatever, but you know, it will help with the channel. as well, so we'll have a look. And I've never done that side of things before, so we'll see. But yeah, it's exciting. Deise Rebel mug. Also then, what else is there? Yeah, I haven't been out on the bike as much. The weather's crazy, and then obviously Christmas, family time as well. So you know, you're busy with that. So oh yeah, thanks very much as well for the support from people on the channel here when my man passed in March. And off, you know, outside of the comments or whatever, I was getting some really nice private messages as well. So thanks for that support. It really helped me as well. And I tell you, the bike has really helped me, because when you're out on the bike, your mind is set free, because you can't think of anything else but the roads, because there's just, we know ourselves, there's a lot of danger on the road for us bikers, you know, so you have to be 100% pinned in the whole time as well. So that's why I haven't been out on the bike as much the last few weeks, because I've been so busy with work, and then with kids, everything, family, all that kind of stuff as well, and I've been tired then in the evenings, you know. So like that, I wasn't going out on the bike unless I was 100% locked in, you know. But yeah, Bonnie's flying, and I'll be back on it soon. If the weather improves over Christmas, I might try to get out over Christmas as well. I probably won't have a new video till the new year. Actually, I won't have a new video till the new year. So that's why I'm doing this one, just to kind of fill in the gap and fill in, you know, the information for yourselves, where the channel is standing and all that kind of stuff as well. So I'm going to continue to make videos. Like I said, I want the views to go up, and if you can help me with any of tips, tricks, or anything that you like to see improved on the channel, then, you know, let me know in the comments, or send me a message, a private message on Facebook or on Instagram as well. So I'm Deise Rebel on Facebook and Instagram as well. You'll find me there. And yeah, so that's all I have to share today. So I want to wish you all a happy and Merry Christmas, or happy holidays, whatever way you celebrate it. But stay safe and have a peaceful, fun time. And I'll talk to you in 2025. Deise Rebel out.